Hello, welcome to another lesson in JavaScript. So, in our previous class, we've seen how we can use the window.print, the window.alert, and console.log to see how we can check the output of our program. Either we want to print a page using window.print, we want to show an alert to people that are visiting our website, or use our console.log to check for errors or issues in our code that can give us an hint or idea of what we need to fix. So in this lesson, we are going to be taking a look at JavaScript syntax, how to declare variables, how to compute values, and how to add comments to your code. So I have in this write-up that syntax are the rules how program must be constructed. So, when you want to cook now, there's a process. Let's say you want to make rice, you put water on the burner, you put fire, you add the rice, and so or some other things before the rice is finally done. The same thing is applicable to programming. There are rules that programs follow for it to give a desired output at the end of the day. So here it says the JavaScript syntax defines two types of value: literals, fixed value, and variables, variable value. So JavaScript literals, it has two examples: numbers and string. So numbers are just like actual numbers that you and I see on a daily basis. So let's just check it out. I'll clear this from my console, then I'll also close this on my browser so that we can have a full browser window. So let me just change this to JavaScript syntax. So a number literal in JavaScript. So if I do something like 5, this is a valid number, an integer. Oh, sorry. Let me do something like let number 1 equals 5. This is a valid number in JavaScript, which is a fixed literal. I can also do 10 points. Sorry. I can also do 10 points. Oh, I need to put this on. I can also do a floating number. I call it like 10.1.50. It's also a valid number in JavaScript. And I can as well put number as my variable number. Let's say let name is equal to Toby, my name. You can see it is valid in JavaScript. So I can also add comments to my code. So I do anything between this. I can clear this and show you how to make comments in JavaScript. Anything between this double slash is referred to a single line comment. This is JavaScript. You can see that the color is already different from what I have. So if I now declare a variable beneath it, let message equals hello. You can see that this code is gray out because it's a single line comment, and this one is showing because it's a valid JavaScript. It is a valid JavaScript element, and I can also do multi-line code. So if I have a comment that is long, so I'll delete this and I'll do my name is Toby. I am a front end developer. Now, if I break this into another line and I want to add comments to it, notice that immediately I start typing this as plain text, JavaScript does not recognize it and it's giving me this red squiggly line. To make a multi-line comment in JavaScript, you use the / asterisk. And then at the end of your comment, where you want to close it, you put asterisk as well as the /. You can see that the errors disappear and this has turned into a multi-line comment. So this is how you add comments in your JavaScript code. Don't forget that the lesson here is that you can learn about JavaScript syntax we learn about JavaScript syntax looking at valid declaration of number. A number can either be a whole number that's an integer like 1, 2, 3, 4, or a floating number like 2.5, 10.6, and so on and so forth. And we also learn how you can make a valid JavaScript variables. We'll see where I used my name as an example. Let name is equal to Toby. So that's an example of a valid JavaScript syntax. So when you combine all these things together, they are what forms your program at the end of the day. So learning about the right syntax to use in JavaScript is as important as what you are trying to produce with your code at the end of the day. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one as we continue on another topic in JavaScript. Don't forget to practice in your own leisure time. Enjoy. Thank you.